What's going on, guys? Guess what? Another Audio Legion speaker review and test. As always, this is a low RMS power test. We are running off of a dual head unit, so this will simulate about 20 RMS if you're lucky on perfect electrical. So anywhere from 10 to 30 RMS will be the range of this depending on the volume on this particular head unit. These are the ME6Bs. So these are a 6.5 inch subwoofer speaker. 200 watts max. They're a mid-range speaker. So no tweeters. Specs on them: 100 RMS a pair, so 50 each. 91.2 sensitivity, 1.5 inch coil, 145 hertz to 6 kilohertz. Kind of a low spectrum there, but these things are extremely nice. These are the bullet hole edition. The bullet tweeter. The bullet speaker edition. I don't know why I said that. So that means they have a bullet in the middle to give you a more defined, straightforward sound. Pretty typical double roll surround, Audio Legion. So got two humps on the surround. Very nice construction. Got the nice solid metal, probably aluminum bullet. Decent sized magnet. Yellow spiders, and they come in a pair. We're only going to be using one at a time for these tests, so we only need one. Like I said, this is going to be a low RMS test, so you can judge what it's going to sound like. Say you put it on a side-by-side four-wheeler golf cart in a kid's first vehicle, and it's got a cheap radio in it, or say it on a factory radio, because we know a lot of factory radios don't put out nowhere near the power that Pioneers, Kenwoods, and Alpines do from factory. So let me go ahead and pull up some music, and we'll see how it sounds.
I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one.
Okay, so first impressions. The mid-range is great. It does lack on the lower end, like compared to, say, like the DS18s or the Black Diamonds. But on the higher end, it definitely has a great sound. Well, not higher end, but the mid-range area. Great sound. Definitely a budget-friendly speaker. This is the Bullet Edition. Like I said, I do have the regular dome style, which I'll be reviewing next. So if you're looking for a great alternative to replace some factory speakers or upgrade, these would be great in stunt walls or doors that have several of them. So you got some pods for 2 6.5s. These would be a great addition. Good construction. Pretty typical of what you're going to find in this price range. These range, a pair of these, about on the retail market, if you find them at a shop, probably about $100 a pair. And as we know, Audio Legion is going out of business. So finding these is going to get harder and harder, but for people that do find them at shops, this is why I make these videos, so you can still see what they sound like. Now, there is rumor that Audio Legion isn't going out of business. They're just pushing out inventory because of the pandemic, but it is yet to be determined. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, definitely subscribe and like. Comment below what I should review next. And also, as always, if you have a problem with my videos, I hate to tell you, but I don't care because I learn from criticism. So please criticize me all you want. Thank you and have a great day.